Hey, what you're seeing right here is actually a refrigerator wrap. You can actually change the look of your refrigerator by wrapping it and make it look like a gas pump. This is actually a solid door refrigerator wrap. So if you go to the rmwraps.com website, go appliance wraps, and you go to under refrigerator wraps under gas pumps, you'll see this guy right here. It's called a two-tone Bennett mobile gas pump refrigerator wrap. And we have it for, single door, but also stack doors and then other doors you can come up with. This is actually a full wrap. I believe this is the left side and this is the right side, or vice versa, or anything like that. This is actually on printed on 3M air release vinyl. This is a gloss sheen. Most of the time we do matte, but this is the gloss. The customer requests the gloss sheen right there, and that's it right there. That right there, and this is a close-up of this guy right here. Okay. Every order's custom size to fit, so we need the width and height and thickness of each door. That was just that one door right there, and not including the door, but how deep and how high it is on the side, because the sides and the front are different, and that's the top right there. And again, we're based in Meridian, Idaho, so anytime we get an order in the morning time, we try and print it out that day and ship it out that day, if not the next day. But the more notes you have, the better, and you can also text us image of your subject, and then make sure it's wrappable. Most of the time they are. Very few are not. But if you got some weird refrigerator, just text us the image at 208-696-1180. You can also call me too. info@rmwraps.com. If you got any comments, questions, concerns, you can email that right there. Devin or Randy will help you with any comments, questions, concerns. I already said that. Other than that, that's it right there. So yeah, stay tuned. We've got more projects and products coming your way. And come back, check out more videos.